Hey folks, so I've been searching the internet and for the dual auxiliary light or passing lamp. People sell them, but Harley does not sell them for this model. They have it for the standard Road King. So what I did is I checked around Amazon and eBay and I found this. Okay, it's not a Harley part. And it looks like it's a copy, the bracket at least, it's a copy of the Road King standard. It comes pre-painted black. It's not powder coated. It's actually painted, so it can't get scratched. And it's a matte finish, not a gloss finish. These were $30 on Amazon. I'll also include the link below. And the headlights are basically the LED style, also not Harley. I wasn't sure if the Harley ones would actually fit this mount. So what I did is I modified the wiring so that it could be wired up to the headlight. And I'll show you a wiring diagram what I did to make it work. But this does actually adapt right onto the existing brackets, even with the windshield on. So let me show you that. And the way this goes into, it just mounts up, loosen these side fork bolts, clamp bolts, and slip this right in. And I'll show you that the windshield actually can come off and on when this is installed. So we'll do. Okay. So here you go. Here's how it would fit in. You see, this part will slide into here, and this will slide onto that bolt. So slide this in. This side too, and then slide it down. There it goes. And of course, tighten these back up. Here's what it looks like when it's done. Pretty nice and clean. The wires actually go back up into here. Now these I soldered on. They don't come with the long enough wires, so I got my own wires. They slip right up into here. Right, and then we'll have to disassemble the headlight. I've already unscrewed this. I'll connect it in. Now I'm not saying everybody has to do it this way. This is just the way I did it. It turns out that the connector, the accessory connector, is just an IDE power connector. So yeah, these are standard Molex connector that are found on IDE drives. So that's what this is. I just basically bought an IDE drive power splitter connector, Molex connector, and plug it into the actual Harley ones. That's these, right? Plug it in so I can actually continue, if I had bought more accessories, add on to this. And then the other thing is I wouldn't have to cut and splice that wire in there. There's no need to cut into the actual connectors. Lights, in case I ever need to, like right now. It just makes things easier to remove. Okay. So when I turn on the accessories, there you go. Okay, the way I did it is, because I tapped into the accessory connector back there, when I switch to accessory where it would power the charger for my cell phone, you can see only the ring light comes on. I don't know if you can see that. But if I switch to ignition, the actual beam comes on, the passing lamp auxiliary beam. So both the ring and the center comes on. I don't know if you can see that difference, but of course, and behind here I also have a switch, a 3-position switch I bought from Amazon. I'll also send that link. So the switch up means that I will have you'll have accessory light on. Center is always off, and bottom is it only turns on when the ignition is on. I will turn to accessories. Okay, that's with the angel eyes on the outside are on. You can see it's out here on. The headlight's not on yet. You can turn on the headlights. There it is. That's with everything on. Turn it off, on, or switch it to ignition, high beam, low beam. And I can also turn off this complete thing or turn it back on. Okay, simply just pull up on that, and see, windshield comes right off. Doesn't affect the light. You can see the windshield is completely off now. That's what it looks like. Mount it. Goes into the slot. So push this in. There it is. Let's take a quick walk around. This is what it looks like. The light. See that? Now, as soon as Harley comes out with a bracket for this, I would gladly swap it out for a Harley part, but for now, this will do. It looks pretty clean, no excessive wire, just these two. Again, this is matte, not gloss. Would have been nice if it was gloss. And when they do come up with the lamp and the reflective type signature, I will also get that too. Without the LED, without the thing. Definitely see more to road.